Manage your translation engines by adjusting settings, mapping languages, and connecting custom services. SimpleTranslate includes 4 translation engines: DeepL, Google Translate, AWS, and SimpleT AI, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. To configure your translation engine, go to Edit. Here, you can activate or deactivate the engine, set its priority to control translation order, adjust batch size for optimal performance, and update the engine name or other settings. When deactivated, the translation engine cannot be used and is restricted to all users in your organization. Priority determines which engine is used first when translating. Lower numbers mean higher priority, so set one for your preferred engine. Language mapping lets you choose specific language variants for each engine. Start by selecting your master language to map your translations. Here you can see all mapped languages for your translation engines. Let's see how to change them. In the language drop-down, select your language variant. For example, we'll select German to demonstrate how language mapping works. ST-DeepL default is now mapped to use German instead of English. When you translate with this engine, it will output German translations based on this mapping. In Metadata Translator, select English, choose ST-DeepL default translation engine, select your translatables, and start the translation. Notice the translations are now in German. The language mapping is working as expected. Custom engines let you connect your own translation services using your API keys. Choose DeepL, Google Translate, OpenAI or AWS for better accuracy and context, or use Custom Translation Engine for any service with flexible authentication. To connect your own translation service, add a custom engine using your API credentials. Complete the required fields for your selected engine. For example, Google Translate. Enter your OAuth settings, Google Cloud configuration, and batch preferences. Ensure everything is correct, then select Create to finish. Your custom engine is created and connected to your API. Newly created engines are inactive by default. Access Edit dialog to test and activate your custom translation engine. Test Translation verifies your engine is configured correctly by sending a sample translation. It shows the response code, request body, and translation result, confirming the engine works before you use it in production. If the test translation is successful, activate the engine. Once activated, your custom engine is ready to use and will appear as an option throughout SimpleTranslate. Update to save your changes and apply the custom engine settings. Check the list to confirm that your new custom engine has been added. Next, verify that it's visible and selectable in SimpleTranslate processes. Go to Metadata Translator. Here's your new custom engine available in Metadata Translator, ready to use for translations.